Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are going to take a little walk in the evening. It's around 5ish and we thought we'll take a walk with parents and family, everything. We just thought of going to a lake nearby. So it's around 3 kilometers from here. It's called Rachenahalli Lake and we'll go there and we'll take a video. How's this place is? Absolutely, it's a very beautiful place too, with all the birds and the flowers, and it's a little place and a nice park to walk in that spot. So let's see how's it. This place is exactly 3 kilometers from Veerannapalaya bridge. Now we drive past Marianana Church. This is a Catholic church that is situated close to our house, and it's a beautiful shrine. Just right next to the church is the school called St. James Public School. This is also run by the Archdiocese of Bangalore and is one of the famous schools in this part of the city that provides education to many students. Right in front of the park is this parking place. But unfortunately we have to keep our cars parked in the side of the road. So there is no parking as such for this park or this lake. There is no particular landmarks next to this place, but I'm sure you can easily find this out using Google Maps. And so my parents walk into the park. Right in front of the park, there are many people or small vendors like chart stalls who sell good charts for their customers who come there after a walk. Then we have good savory joints, etc. So we are right in front of the Rachenahalli Lake. This is the main entrance, and apart from which there is no other entrance that is opened. So you have to come to this entrance only. Now the timings is mentioned over here, which is from 6 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and from 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. This is the time where people are allowed to visit the park as well as walk around the lake. And now we are greeted by a host who walks stylishly to meet his visitors. This is the entrance to the park, and it is surrounded with beautiful trees and a lovely lawn. At least you should see the real flowers and the beauty around there.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Here now we are in Rachenahalli Lake. It is something close to by our house.
And we are 3 kilometers away from our place. So we are coming here for an evening walk, and let's walk around this lake. This is in fact one of the best lakes over here close by to our house. So we wanted to show you this lake and the lovely park in it. So let's see how is it, and let's explore the lake together. I guess our host is not very pleased in seeing his guest coming in, and he just does not know what to do. Evening sun has made the trees look golden. As we see, there's a lot of crowd in the park. People are coming to walk, some people sit, kids are playing. It's a lovely scene, especially during the weekends. This place is always full. As we see, this park is sponsored by a few private operators along with the government. This is a good initiative. Ideally, the park had certain rules to be followed, and all these were prohibited. A lot of people walking over here, and in fact, masks are compulsory too. So also behind me you will find a little podium where people can go skating as well as they can walk over here. The evening sunshine really makes the lawn look golden in color. Finally, we have reached the lake. Also, there's a lot of a walk between the lake as well as the entrance. In fact, there's a very good board saying do not litter, and unfortunately there is a lot of rubbish, which is very disappointing. One speciality of this place is that you see the water around here. This water is being cleaned. Actually, this is the wastewater from the city, which has a plant which cleans this water, and this water is pumped over here. It comes from Jakkur distillation, or the cleaning plant or the sanitation plant, and the water is pumped over here, and from here this also helps the birds as well as the fish that to help it grow. So this is a speciality of this lake. It's not fed by the rain, but it's fed by Bangalore city. So it's a good work by the Bangalore waterworks, which has done this job. How's the view, Daddy and Mommy?
Oh, fine. Very nice.
Very nice. It's good for evening walk.
Yes, far from our house.
But it's really nice. It's nice, cool and calm over here compared to what we are sitting inside the house. How's it, Mummy?
Very good.
You enjoyed a little evening walk.
Yes.
Now you're taking some rest. We'll go see other places and come back here. In fact, this is a private and public partnership. It is done by ANZ and United Way. These are the companies that have taken over the maintenance of this park along with the BBMP. So they keep this park clean too. This lake and park is there's a lot of acres of land here where water is filled up in the lake, which forms one part of the place. As well as there is also a little shooting studio, I suppose. A lot of statues and all. Maybe it's meant for the cinema industry. The water is fed in from this sewage line over here, and this goes into the lake, and this is the feeding channel, and this is the filtering part of this lake. You see the dirt and debris over here. In fact, it's a good walk around the lake. It's kind of very refreshing, and it's the marshlands. Apart from humans walking, we have four-legged friends also playing over here. I guess there was coracle rides over here, and now they have stopped it. Maybe it's due to the corona or it's a Sunday. And there's a swan over there. We are standing on the other side of the lake, where we see the apartments at the distant view from the lake. It is a very beautiful sight. Next to each gate, the timing of the parks are mentioned, but all these gates are closed, and only there is one entrance and exit for this lake. In fact, this is a 110-acre property over here in this Rachenahalli Lake area, and there's a lot of space to walk around for people, and it opens around 4:30 to 6:30 in the evening. So please do come over here. It's a very lovely place to walk around. And what is your opinion about it?
I never expected this to be this big. And entrance, I thought it is a small park, but it's a huge area, and it's very refreshing.
Yes. In fact, the sun's rays is reflecting on the lake. It's a very beautiful sight. Also the skyline where all the apartments are there. Also there's a little island also. A very nice landscaping done by the government. Little flowers that they grow beside the walking path is very nice. Also there's a little shed where people can stand and talk with each other in case there's a rain. While the parents talk, there's a little play area for kids to run around and play. What is this grass? It's a very beautiful, I think it's a show grass. In fact, it's very nice to see the birds flying just above the water. So the lake ends here. There's no inflow of water from this part of the lake into the lake. So we have a little walking path where it turns. We are at the end of this lake, and this is how the lake is from this part of the view of this lake. It's quite a walk. Now it has started to get dark and it is high time for us to start leaving the place. We had a great walk over here and it's really tiring too. This 110-acre park was huge, more than what we have expected, and this long walk trail. It's already getting late and this walking has really made us hungry too. So our next stop would be, we will be going to a hotel to have a little dinner. It's just little family time, especially on a weekend.
We are just half the way only. We have to go near another half a way, and so we have to rush. It's getting late and it's getting night too. So, okay.
Yeah.
See you.
So we hope you liked watching our videos, and we request you to like, share and comment on them. If you found our videos really useful and informative, we thank you very much for your support that you have given us thus far, and we really enjoy it, and we hope we are delivering our content what you expect. And well, until the next video, please stay tuned to our videos every Thursday and Sunday. Until next video, take care, stay
safe,
and see you soon.
bye bye.
Bye bye. Now we had a good walk, really tiresome. We made around 4 kilometers of walking, really tired. So next we are going to a different place. We are going to have some food before going home. Anyways, we are reaching our end of a lake visit over here, and I think everybody is waiting for us. Finally the park is empty and the security has asked us to leave. It is more than 7 p.m. and it's always time to say good night.